In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Genshin Impact on PC with a Google account. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. This method will work as long as you have access to the Google account that you use to play Genshin Impact. First of all, make sure you log in to Genshin Impact and you start playing using the Google account. What you need to do over here after you sign into the Google account is to click the Paimon head at the top left corner of the screen to open up the menu. Now, click the settings. Within the settings, choose the account tab and the first option should say User Center. Tap to proceed next User Center. You will be redirected to the account management page for the Google account that you have. As you can see over here, I already have a username and an email attached to this account. But if this is your first time opening up this menu, you will get a prompt or an option to link an account and link a username. When you choose link account or link username, you can go ahead and you will be able to select an username and a password for your Google account. Now, with that username and password that you just created by opening up the account management page and linking a new account, you can use those credentials on your PC to log into this Google account. All of your progress will be there as long as you log in using the username you just created. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Genshin Impact on PC with a Google account. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.